Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. MS Word Drawing. Well, today's video I'm going to teach you how to draw in Microsoft Word. So to draw in Microsoft Word, first thing you need to do is open up Microsoft Word and then click on Draw. Here we have options, as you can see. Here are all the options that we can use to draw. Let's try this one and let's draw. You can see, here I'm drawing a lion and here's a tiger. There you go. No, I'm just joking. This one's an eraser. So, yeah, I fooled you guys. I joked you, yeah. And this joke. And then to show something, just choose any of these pens right here. And then just draw. There you go. There. And just draw anything that you want. And here are all the options to draw. You choose to draw this one. There you go. That. There you go. And you can also draw here. Point. Let's see. What we call delete words, select word, new word, any of those. So this is how this works. So I'm gonna teach you. So to delete a word, just try to add dog, dog, and do the thingy right here. Draw, then magic, then doesn't erase it. You don't delete the word. Oh no, wait, not working. So this usually works. Alright, let's select the word first. Ah, this usually works. Doesn't work. Why is it not working? Oh, there we go. So that there works. Like for add a new line. Let's do that. Oh, it works. Split words. Split the words. So split. Oh, it's not. I forgot. It's not. It's not a fully word. Is it og or dog? Wait. I think this is. There we go. Oh, I think I put og, not dog. Oh, here we go. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try the again. Down. Okay, it doesn't work, but sometimes it works. You can insert word, do that. Word into a sentence to do that, and we have a join word, this word, add a new line. Okay, this stuff usually works on a paragraph, but I haven't prepared a paragraph. So don't worry, guys. If you want to try it out, open up a paragraph or a sentence, then try these things. So yeah, let's try adding some more word cat, dog, cat, lion, here. Try. Let's try it now. No, 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 no. Oh, just highlight it. Wait, I think I'm doing it wrong. I think I need to do it sideways. Wait, I need to do that, 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 that. Oh, there you go. I need to do it sideways. I knew it sideways. Okay, so that's sideways. Uh, not really. One, two, three. That, there you go. Just a lot of words. Just do it sideways. And here are the other gestures you can do. So then let's get back to drawing. So and that, for this, for that, for that. And a quick tip for you guys: if you want to delete the drawing that you've done, for example, right here, delete one of them. You can choose them. Then once you choose them, click on delete. There you go. On delete, on delete, and click on delete. So there you go, guys. So yeah, that's how you draw in Microsoft Word. And to erase it, you can just do the thing that I do, the delete thing, or you can just use the invisible ball pen. I'm just joking. Or you can use the eraser. So yeah, there you go, guys. If you guys like the video, if you guys enjoyed, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.